Hi folks, this is Elvin Wizard, and I'm going to show you this modification right here. This is the Axial Menace. Okay, you've seen these in my video. I've been in some, I guess you might say, experimentation of this car with this axle, and I found a reliable way to put a bigger muffler header in it that's able to take the jumps and the abuse and all that without coming off. I'm sure you've seen other modifications on the internet, but this one I've tried my own, and I've ran a few tanks with it. I've tumbled. It stayed on, and it's good. What I've done is I put this works pipe on, the exhaust tip, and I made this wire appear very strong wire, connected to here, and put this down. And it gives tons of power more. It's pretty amazing. I mean, this thing, it actually does it does pop a wheelies. It just, on a grippy surface, it really goes. I'm surprised I haven't blown out any diffs in the rear. See, compared to the old that I had, this one was on there before, which was fine. I mean, it gave, you know, it gave enough power, but I wanted to give it more power. And of course, that's the Thunder Tiger. This is my other Schumacher. So, if you want to try it, you have a Menace, and you want to try something more powerful, here you go. There's a great way to really add power and not be worried about flipping over or you know, or anything else, your muffler coming off. This has stayed on. I mean, it's really, you could see it, and yeah, so there you go. Take for you Menace owners, I'm going to give you a close look what I've done here, so you could do this at home. And of course, I took that off, took this off from the original. I put that one on. You can put that on. Springs, of course, gotta have an axle, and bingo, there you go. Super Menace with a cool muffler.